Namaskar, welcome to BST News. I am Jayashita Reddy from Telangana State. Now let us have a look on headlines. Official calendar 2021 of Himachal Pradesh State Bharat Scouts and Guides was inaugurated by Shri Bandaru Dattatreya, His Excellency the Governor of Himachal Pradesh and Patron Bharat Scouts and Guides Himachal Pradesh. Rajya Puraskar Award ceremony of Jammu and Kashmir State was held on 3rd April 2021. His Excellency Lieutenant Governor Shri Manoj Sinha graced the occasion. Report of work undertaken by Haryana State Bharat Scouts and Guides during COVID-19 was presented to Honorable Minister for Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of Haryana. Uttar Pradesh State Bharat Scouts and Guides conducted Rover Rangers Samagam. World Autism Awareness Day observed by Bihar State Bharat Scouts and Guides. COVID Warrior Service rendered by Odisha State Bharat Scouts and Guides. Occasional Sustained Community Service rendered by the members of Eastern Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guides. Blood donation camp organized by the members of Southeastern Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guides. Firefighting mock drill training was organized by East Central Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guides. स्वच्छता के लिए एक कदम और क्लीनलीनेस ड्राइव ऑर्गेनाइज्ड बाय ओडिशा स्टेट भारत स्काउट्स एंड गाइड्स. Food items distributed by the members of Guwahati Rover Crew of Assam. Andhra Pradesh State Bharat Scouts and Guides conducted Tritiya Sofan and Rajya Puraskar testing camps. Telangana State Bharat Scouts and Guides conducted State Council meeting and elections for State Chief Commissioner on 2nd April 2021. First National Youth Adventure Program was conducted at National Adventure Institute, Kurseong, West Bengal. News in brief. Official calendar 2021 of Himachal Pradesh State Bharat Scouts and Guides was inaugurated by Shri Bandaru Dattatreya, His Excellency the Governor of Himachal Pradesh and Patron Bharat Scouts and Guides Himachal Pradesh on 27th March 2021 in presence of Dr. Amritjit K. Sharma, State Chief Commissioner, Bharat Scouts and Guides Himachal Pradesh and other state officials. Rajya Puraskar Award ceremony of Jammu and Kashmir State was held on 3rd April 2021. His Excellency Lieutenant Governor Shri Manoj Sinha called upon the youth to follow Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya's ideals of selfless service to mankind, character building and Atmanirbharta. He also asked to play their important role to nation building and presented the certificates to all the awardees. Report of work undertaken by Haryana State Bharat Scouts and Guides during COVID-19 was presented to Honorable Minister for Youth Affairs and Sports on 2nd April 2021. Honorable Minister appreciated the selfless service done by the Scouts and Guides to the community. Uttar Pradesh State Bharat Scouts and Guides conducted Rovers Rangers Samagam from 4th to 6th April 2021 at Jhansi, Uttar Pradesh, in which 200 rovers and rangers participated from Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar University, Agra, Mahatma Gandhi Kashi Vidyapeeth University, Varanasi, and Bundelkhand University, Jhansi. The UN General Assembly had declared April 2nd as World Autism Awareness Day to highlight the need to help improve the quality of life of those who with autism so they can lead a meaningful lives as an integral part of the society. Autism is a serious developmental disorder that impairs the ability to communicate and interact. Therefore, to raise awareness for the people with autism, Saran district of Bihar State Bharat Scouts and Guides observed World Autism Day on 2nd April 2021 under the leadership of Mr. Alok Ranjan, District Organizing Commissioner Scout. Members of Odisha State Bharat Scouts and Guides continuously serving the needy people in the tough times of COVID-19. On 4th and 5th April 2021, guides of OPMHS Brarajnagar District, Jharsuguda, distributed food to the needy people at Sani Temple of Kaliakani in front of Government Hospital. Scouts, guides and unit leaders of DAV Public School, Ganjam District staged a street play on COVID awareness, displaying leaflets at Bada Sahib, Behrampur, Ganjam. On the auspicious occasion of Good Friday on 2nd April 2021, members of Officers Colony Scout Troop of Eastern Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guides organized occasional sustained community service at St. Peter's Church, Kanchrapara. On 4th April 2021, members of Southeastern Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guides rendered their service and also donated blood at Adityapur in a blood donation camp being organized by the state in collaboration with Udgam Trust. District level Dvitiya Sofan testing for Scouts and Guides was organized by Vaishali district of Bihar State Bharat Scouts and Guides on 3rd April 2021 at Hajipur, in which 55 Scouts and Guides participated under the leadership of Mr. Jitesh Kumar, Chief Examiner. DDU Division of East Central Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guides organized a firefighting training and mock drill on 25th March 2021, in which 100 scouts, guides, rovers and rangers participated. During the training, mock drill on firefighting, fire prevention and rescuing the casualty etc. were demonstrated. Swachhata ke liye ek kadam aur cleanliness drive initiated by the members of Kalahandi district of Odisha State Bharat Scouts and Guides on 7th April 2021, in which Scouts and Guides cleaned the villages, collected garbage and decomposed it in a separate place and area. District level workshop on pioneering was organized by Vaishali districts of Bihar State Bharat Scouts, 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 State Bharat from 1st to 2nd April 2021, in which 500 Scouts and Guides participated under the leadership of Mr. Ritu Raj Kumar, District Organizing Commissioner Scout. During the workshop, training on basic knots was given to participants. Jai Seva Shibir Drinking water distribution service is being rendered by the members of Odisha State Bharat Scouts and Guides in this hot summer. They distributed lemon and buttermilk, also distributed leaflets to prevention from sunstroke at different areas of Jharsuguda. One-day workshop on plastic tide turner was organized on 4th April 2021 by Vaishali district of Bihar State Bharat Scouts and Guides, in which training on champion level of the tide turners plastic challenge was given and 75 champions were produced. The Nagaland State Bharat Scouts and Guides Membership Growth Committee meeting was held on 6th April 2021 to evaluate and implement the growth strategies. The Honorable State Chief Commissioner of Nagaland State Bharat Scouts and Guides, Mr. Otto Meshur, was present in the meeting. The staffs of the Meghalaya State Bharat Scouts and Guides celebrated the 1st April 2021 as April Cool Day instead of April Fool Day in befitting manner by plantation of pot plants to beautify and maintain the cleanliness of state headquarter premises and also to make campus cool with all green surrounding fields. Different kind of saplings were planted and taken care by adding manure for maintaining cleanliness and add beauty to the campus. The guide of Gosaigan Girls High School rendered voluntary service at polling stations in Gosaigan on 6th April 2021. Total 20 members of Bharat Scouts and Guides Assam State provided selfless service to the needy under the leadership of Mrs. Gautami Rabha, pre-ALT guide. The members of Guwahati Open Rover Crew of Assam State Bharat Scouts and Guides with Hindustani Kendriya Vidyalaya, Guwahati, distributed food items to the needy people of different areas of Guwahati. This will continue till 14th April 2021. Jammu and Kashmir Bharat Scouts and Guides organized 3 days ABC FBM workshop in Kathua district of Jammu and Kashmir from 29th to 31st March 2021, in which 50 unit leaders participated. Basic course for Scoutmaster is started at Madni Youth Center, Mazufar Nagar, Uttar Pradesh on 4th April 2021, in which 18 participants of Jamiat Youth Club undergoing the training. A 3-day online basic scouting workshop was organized by Himachal Pradesh Bharat Scouts and Guides from 1st to 3rd April 2021 at Rovers and Rangers Unit College, Karso. Andhra Pradesh State Bharat Scouts and Guides conducted Tritiya Sofan and Raja Puraskar testing camps for guides at Gnanodaya English Medium School, Madnepalli. Chittoor district with 23 guides for Titiya Sofan and 13 for Raja Puraskar under the leadership of Ms. Razia Begum and Srimati Shakuntala LT Guide respectively. Rovers and Rangers of Salim district of Tamil Nadu State Bharat Scouts and Guides rendered their service at polling booths on 6th April 2021. Telangana State Bharat Scouts and Guides conducted state council meeting and elections for State Chief Commissioner on 2nd April 2021 was observed by Shri S. S. Roy, Assistant Director, Western Region, Assistant Director of Southern Region, Srimati Kumut Mehra also attended the meeting. Chittoor District Association of Andhra Pradesh State Bharat Scouts and Guides organized Chaturtha Charan testing camp for 53 cubs and Tritiya Sofan testing camp for 38 scouts from 2nd to 6th April 2021 under the leadership of Shri V. Ram Mohan ALT Cubs and Shri Venkateshwaralu ALT Scout. First National Youth Adventure Program was conducted at National Adventure Institute, Kurseong from 5th to 9th April 2021 under the leadership of Srimati Sureka Srivastava, Director Guide Project with the assistance of Mrs. Bilgesh Sheikh, Junior Instructor, Mr. Vivek Kumar Das, Junior Instructor and other invited staff. 55 participants attended the program from Rajasthan, Eastern Railway, NF Railway and West Bengal. The program was inaugurated by Dr. H.P. Chetri, Chief Commissioner Scouts, in the glorious presence of Shri S.K. Biswas, National Commissioner of Scouts, Adult Resources, and other distinguished guests. Shri Amar B. Chetri, Joint Director of Scouts, Program and Training. Bharat Scouts and Guides was observer in the National Adventure Program. Dr. K. K. Kandelwal, Chief National Commissioner, Shri M. A. Khalid, Additional Chief National Commissioner, along with Mrs. A. Swer, International Commissioner of Guides, Mr. Manish Mehta, National Commissioner Coordinator, Shri Alok Goel, National Treasurer, Shri R. K. Kaushik, Director, Bharat Scouts and Guides and other officials were present virtually. The foundation stone of National Adventure Institute was also laid down by Dr. H. P. Chetri on behalf of Chief National Commissioner, Bharat Scouts and Guides. Important information: due to COVID-19 virus, the National Youth Forum for Rovers and Rangers scheduled to be held at Korba, Chhattisgarh from 26th to 30th April 2021 and National Level Tribal Amrit Mahotsav scheduled to be held at Leo International Institute, Banswara, Rajasthan from 19th to 23rd April 2021 are hereby postponed to further notification. This is all for today's news. This is Jayashita Reddy from Telangana State signing off. Thank you.